Hi, I'm Diana, and I was given the Saramonic microphone set in return for this video. I'm going to go over some of the features. I use quite a bit of different mics out there, and there's some things on this mic set that have me really excited. I'm going to go over some of that, and you can decide if this is a fit for you. What I like is that you're not locked into one style. You get two transmitters, and each one has a built-in mic plus a lavalier option. The sound comes through crisp and clear thanks to a smart little noise filter that takes out distractions without making you sound robotic. The receiver is just as flexible. It plugs into just about anything, whether that's your DSLR, your laptop, or even your phone. For shoots that run long, the battery life is a lifesaver. 10 hours on each mic, plus the charging case carries you through the day with plenty to spare. What makes it extra handy is how portable the whole kit is. A couple unique things about this microphone set that I love already. Number one, usually with the microphones I've used, if I need to preview a clip and see what the audio was like or just make sure it was recording, I have to unplug the dongle to get the audio to come out. With this one, I can literally just rewind, go back to the clip, play it, and I don't have to take the dongle out and I can hear the audio. That is awesome. You have no idea what a big deal that is for me. The other thing that I love is there is a headphone jack in the dongle, so I could actually have an earphone in so I can hear what's actually going through the system at any given time. So that is wonderful as well. I'm actually using this mic set right now. I've got it attached here using the magnetic clip. I have the little magnet on this side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unplug it right here. So now I'm using just the microphone on the phone. I'm going to go ahead and walk away, and then you tell me what I sound like without it. I'm going to come back, and we're going to try it with the microphone. I'm going to walk away. I have the microphone on. You're going to hear what it sounds like with the microphone plugged in. I'm going to come back, and there you go. That is the difference between using the microphone on your phone versus using a nice professional microphone set. I think I have found a new favorite. I've had the same microphone set that I've used for a couple years. I love the brand. I still love the microphones. But I have to say, there's some features on here that really knock that one out of position. And I'm going to be using this one. This is going to be my new everyday go-to microphone set. I'm not just saying that. I am serious. I love this microphone set. I love everything it comes with. So if you're looking for a great all-around wireless microphone, definitely check this one out. It's awesome.